At Linde, we are extremely optimistic about the prospects of China's digital economy market. Our expectations are high as we anticipate a significant role in shaping this digital landscape through continuous innovation and strategic partnerships. In China, we have an impressive 95% of the forklifts sold that are electric, with lithium-ion powered trucks accounting for nearly 70% of that share. Moreover, Linde China has developed and introduced hydrogen fuel cell forklift to the market by project needs. China holds an important role in KION Group's global strategy, serving not only as a thriving market but also as a key hub for production and research and development. We recently invested in our own battery packing assembly line with further modular production in planning. As we look to the future, our investments in China are designed to drive innovation, strengthen our global competitiveness, and ensure that we remain at the forefront of the material handling industry.